How Persian sounds to a non-Persian speaker. Ever wondered how your language might sound to someone who doesn't speak it at all? Let's take a listen and find out. Barkosh Velman Tarvik Joram Pelvik Dervin Shamrak Jamban Perin Kelmer Vitrek Sorlan Trimbik Parsan Joram Fenrik Joltan Parvik Burin Sorvin Dervik Trinop Jolman Jarmut Kerik. Tamron Jalpan Dervik Furlan Karmuk Velrik Jalpan Trimman Sarvik Janko Belmuk Joran Servik Verin Apultik Trambik Parsan Belman Poltan Darmuk Timran Velrik Joram Sartek. Taran Fenruk Belter Jalvan Karmuk Durlan Trantik Jaran Samrik Velran Jalvan Karlan Beltan Trimnok Joram Kalzan Jamek Velrik. No, this isn't what real Persian sounds like. Because it's not Persian, it's just gibberish like my channel name suggests. But there will always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what Persian sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. It's like I can see the comments coming a mile away. Follow me if you want to hear SpongeBob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.